acquired a fully modular laptop. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Framework laptop unboxing video. In this box is a Framework laptop, which is a fully modular laptop, which I am really excited to check out. Let's get to it. You're coming along with me. Anyway, I've been really excited about this laptop. I've been hearing a lot about it. One of my employees that works on my VR games that I make, he ordered one and it's super cool. So I decided like, I'm gonna jump on that hype train. So we are gonna get it out. We're gonna set it up and we're gonna look at it. Oh, they have stickers! One of my biggest things that drives me crazy is that more companies don't put stickers in their boxes. I love stickers so much. Super excited about this. Framework, reduce, reuse, repair, recycle. Love that. These are, I got a lot of USB-A. So this is the cool part. This right here, look at this right here. Let's see if I can get it closer. USB-A expansion card. I'm not 100% sure how it's gonna work, but we're gonna figure it out. This is gonna be my little tool of destiny here, but we are getting it. I got 6 USB-As and 6 USB-Cs, just in case. So they all come in these little cards, and then I also got an HDMI and an Ethernet expansion card. The idea is that these things are supposed to just slide into the laptop and make it so that you can just fully modularize it. It's freaking cool. I'm excited about it. Be excited with me and like this video. Number pad. Oh, I got a number pad. I forgot that I got a number pad. The idea with this laptop is I didn't necessarily want like gaming build. I wanted a powerful enough build that I could do most of what I do on my PC on the go, because I've been traveling a lot lately. So that's kind of the idea behind this. Spacers, numpad, spacers, heat. All right, let's put more light on this situation. A little more light. There we go. Sick. So we got numpad, we got all that stuff. Now for the laptop itself, maybe? No, what's this? We got our ports over here. You guys can't really see it, but up in the corner. Cords. And we got, whoopee. Come back into focus, baby. Oh, it's up. Okay, cords. And got trash, reduce, recycle my blood. And ooh, that is cool. Where is center on this thing? Love that. I don't stuff to put aside. Where's the laptop? To find the laptop if it's the last thing I do. And we gotta adjust the camera. All right, that's better. Now for the laptop itself. Oh, dude, that's slick, bro. Oh my gosh, wow. I did not expect it to be that thick. Holy cow. Wow. Start here. What is there anything else behind this? More stuff. I have so many of these things. I think, oh, I hope there wasn't anything in there because that's all we got. All right, look at this thing. So in the box I ordered a lot of USB-Cs and USB-As. I wanted to get enough of them that I could do what I wanted. So I have audio and HDMI, Ethernet, USB-C, another audio expansion card. Didn't realize. USB-C, USB-A, USB-C. Just gonna stack those up for me. USB-A. Did I get enough USB-As? Why did I get so many audio expansion cards? That's cool, I guess. I did not mean to get so many audio expansion cards. I got spacers. I got a number pad and another spacer. Came with this, my guy, and more USB-A, more USB-C. I must have forgotten one USB-C. Anyway, that's everything that came in the box right there. This is our instruction manual. Framework. I love their logo. I've been really impressed with this company. And oh, I found the last USB-C. Haha! There it is. Framework. Step 1. Hack into your. Ah, crap. We don't need instructions. We are smart individuals. Start here. HTTPS fr.mw frank. Okay, we're going to the internet. Stand by. Introducing the Laptop 16. Wow. Okay, the newsletter. Developer program. Don't want to wait. Check out the 13. We're just gonna wing it. Windows installation. Frank with a Q. And buy again. Windows 11. Time required 10 to 20 minutes. USB flash driver. No parts required. I need a USB. Don't know if I have one of those 8 gigabytes or larger. Once you redeem your key, download Windows Media Creation Tool. Oh, I've got to do the whole thing. Well, let's worry about that in a minute. Let's see if we can't put this thing together. All right. I just want to open it. I have beef with Linux, guys. I worked as a Linux system administrator for a couple of years, and I respect it, but at the same time, I hate it. It is a whole nother lifestyle. So, Linux users, I respect you, but I don't understand you. Is that fair? I don't know. Roast me in the comments. Let's just open this puppy up. Just want to open it. premium packaging. This is like opening a freaking Apple product. I love this. I love everything about this. Ooh, the lolly. Let's slide it out. Never mind, we're ripping. Look at that. It's freaking, feels like freaking Apple quality, but Windows ability. So let me show you guys how the expansion cards work, okay? So back here, these little slots right here, each one of these slots, you see all these slots right here? Each of these slots can fit one of these modules, right? So if I take out a USB-A, oh, got my USB-A right here. Sorry, I showed it to the other camera. USB-A, I can literally just not have a USB-A. Oh, I don't want USB-A anymore? I can take it out, maybe. I probably just ruined my whole laptop with that one. Crap. Anyway, that's the idea. So it's modular in the sense that you can flip out between, if I want an Ethernet port, boom, I can put the Ethernet port in. If I want to put in an audio jack, boom, I can put in the audio jack. If I want to put in, there's so many different options. This is a fully modular laptop and I love it. So that is the modularity of it. Do you get these out? Oh, I see. That's so cool. So to get it out, so you put it in like this, you can lock it. Now it doesn't come out. And unlock it, that's it out. Look at that, that's so cool. All right, guys, I'm really nerding out on this one. This is really cool for me. Everyone be happy for me, or I'm gonna unsubscribe you for me. But you're gonna subscribe, right? Oh, freaking USB-A. I should really think about this. I have it over there. I actually probably need my Ethernet. Right, I actually need my Ethernet and whatnot. Come on, buddy. Come on out. Come on out for your Uncle G. Oh, come on. There we go. We got it. Pretty easy to take out, actually. Don't be deceived by my inability. Let's try the Ethernet port. I'm gonna have it, let's see. I'm gonna have it like this. I'm gonna have it on my left side. I want the Ethernet port over here and my HDMI input. So, watch guys, I'm not gonna drop it this time. Don't even worry about it. Not gonna drop it this time. Praise to the Garett. He did it. He's not a freaking idiot. And bye for idiot. He's confused. Ah, very interesting. Quite fit flush. I don't know if you guys can see that, but this is not quite flush with the bottom. Give me un poquito nervioso. Internet, USB-A. Where's my USB? HDMI, where are you? Gone. HDMI, be gone. How is there more boxes, bro? HDMI. Where'd you go, HDMI? Did I not get an HDMI? I should have sworn I got an HDMI. I'm stupid as. Don't answer that. Right in front of me face. It's actually crazy. Everything looks the same. I'm losing my mind. HDMI is in. Let's do USB-A. Oh, I love the ability to like think about that. That's amazing. Like, I love that I can sit here and think I want my Ethernet and I want my this on that side so I can do this. It's supposed to be like this. If you're forcing it, it's probably not supposed to go there. And then we'll do all USB-A's over on this side as well. Here we go. USB. Nice. Oh, I probably should put in an audio expansion. Do I need an audio expansion card? No, I actually do need a USB-C. We'll put one in for now. So, I'm gonna USB that one. And C. There's one. So now we have at least one USB-C. Lock and loaded. So, final product. Got audio jack, USB-A, USB-C. Over here, Ethernet, HDMI, USB-A. Bless. All right, let's pop this puppy open. I get the feeling that this is gonna be the fun part. Getting rid of all the trash. All the trash be gone. Let's see. I will also partially be using this laptop for streaming purposes, which I'm very excited about. Right, 7, 9, 8, no idea. Let's start with the number pad, actually. Give this the old S-card go. Shall use the Unreal Engine pen. I got to make a dad joke while I use this then. What did one pen say to the other? I'm right. That was a bad one. Just gonna decimate that. Here we go. Boom, chaka-laka-laka, boom. Hey. Ooh, the lolly. Alrighty. How does one next? Supposed to be a little underground. You should probably look at instructions for this. Did they come in with instructions? Space Dolby is very confused. Just like a spacer, I guess. Leave that over there for now. They gave me a wrench for a reason, right? Surely there's a 1. Battle 14. What do you mean? It'd be a 14. Why is there 14 and a 15 when there's not even a 20? I despise you. Here we go. Is there a lower? I am scared. It says there's a number 1 right here. It says pull that up and then what? Alright, I'm just gonna start unscrewing stuff. We are going to unscrew things and put them in a good place because I will for sure lose them if not. Ooh, Might be too advanced for me, chat. This might be too advanced for me. Shelby is now very nervous. Wait, what is the lowest number on here? 12, 8, 9, 7, 6. That was 1. It's supposed to be 2, 3, 4, 5. No. Maybe time to seek instruction. Why are there no instructions? Oh, keyboard. Very quacky. We shall seek instruction from the great and powerful internet. Stand by. Don't tell me what to do, Garett. Ha! This guide will show you how to install. Bottom row of input modules includes the module touchpad cases. Unlock the input modules. Ah, look at that, guys. This is a little. Hey, there we go. Nice. The next 4 steps show you how to remove the touchpad spaces and the touchpad mobile. Lovely. Oh, look, see there. So you need hey, unlock the input or everything. This is not how to install a keyboard. I'll just want to install a keyboard. Go back. Ah! Much too advanced for me, chat. Much too advanced. Am I supposed to put the keyboard? Was I supposed to put the keyboard down at some point? Where do I put the keyboard? Hey, that's cool and all, but all space here. Remove the keyboard. The keyboard wasn't even installed. Install the keyboard. It's installed. Okay. Dobby is not afraid of modularity. Dobby is really confused. How does one install the keyboard? Oh goodness. Oh, it's magnetic. Guys, that is so. Oh my gosh, have you seen this? Maybe. Oh gosh, that does not sound. Okay, so to install, slowly, just. That's seriously all you gotta do. Just shove it in and freaking. Yo, intense. How does one do this part? Wait, we gotta read more instructions. Now, that's what these little flappies are. That's how you're supposed to properly remove it, chat. Easily to remove. Now, was I supposed anything? Probably not. Touch that. Oh no! The numpad is held in place with strong magnets. Apply gradually increasing force, avoiding the numpad to violently eject. How does one install the numpad? We must find the way to install. Start guide for the DIY. Array. Round it up. Release modules. Hold the tab. Cable. Loosen mid plate seam. Install the memory. What if I already I don't think I need to install memory. Well, how about heading? We're supposed to remove all of this. There's gonna be some screwing involved in this. Get your minds out of the gut. Removed this first. That was step 1. We did do the proper step 1, chat. Proud of me. 1. Now 2 is here. Unscrew 2. Actually, you know what I'm gonna get for this? I'm gonna get my fancy screwdriver. Check it out, guys. Fantic automatic screwdriver for times such as these. It goes back. I'm so excited. Sorry. I need. Okay. Nice. That's not gonna work. Star, or is it a hexagon? Mono increased up. This is gonna be our guy. Alright, 5. T5. Let's go. T5, ladies and gentlemen. This is fun. Yes, I don't give a crap about the number. In order to this, oh, there are numbers next to them. Probably should have been paying attention to the numbers. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. This is 6, 7, I swear. I swear. But it's 8, 9, 10, 11. Well, I12. 14. Tell you what, what's me 12? We're getting screwed. 13, 14, 15, the 16 round boy. Blind is back. 16, 17, 15, 14. Where's 16? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 13, 15, 17. They skip 6. Why would they skip 6? They couldn't. 13, 15, because 16's in the corner. Oh my god. Nearly had a heart attack, chat. Okay. 17 screws. Didn't lose any. Did not lose any. Lay down. I'm sure you actual computer people are just cringing in your seats watching me do this. First, memory. Mainboard, framework. Very installed to me, does it not? Memory 16 gigabytes. We're good. We're good. 1 terabyte is there. Good. Storage. Look how cool this is. This is completely modular. You can open the whole thing up and you could replace any of these parts if you wanted to. That's amazing. I love everything about that. I'm just gonna assume that everything is where it's supposed to be. Remove. Mess crap up. Use framework screwdriver to remove the 2 meter long 2.5. Oh, that's already installed. Where is the thermal pack? Secondary SSD followed by the root memory. Blue. I need a secondary. Oh, I'm following secondary instructions. Okay. Remove the mid plate. Orient the module as label is facing down and align it. The edges of the memory down further. I'm pretty sure memory is already installed. Because I don't have anything else that could possibly be right. Memory, 16 gigabytes. Mainboard. That's just more space if I want to put in 16 more gigabytes. And then the thermal paste is all open there. That's all good, right? Maybe? I'm going to assume for now that it's good. If not, we are acquainted now to get into the motherboard. Okie dokie. We screw. We ball. 15, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, reconnect you. Connected. All right, we are back in business. That was completely unnecessary and we didn't need to do it, but if it, we ball. All right, Now for the input modularity system. Put in spacers. I believe spacers are meant to be in this part, yes? But we have no room for spacers because if it we ball. I thought you could put spacers right here. I was mistaken. No box. Where did I put previous spacers? Yes, I did previous spacer go. The box says more epic. Something's not right. Ooh, look at that. I think we're good to go. Sweet. Nice. Okay. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I gotta get windows on this thing, which is gonna require a whole lot of work, and I don't want to subject you to it, so let me know if you have any questions about the framework laptop. Let me know if you have any questions about the framework laptop, and I will continue getting it set up. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you on the next one.